Hello viewers, hope all of you are fine. Today we will discuss what is Google Map. So viewers, definition of Google Map. Google Map is a location search tool that allows you to geolocate a specific point, calculate routes, find the nearest places of interest, or see the appearance of place at street level through Google Street View. It was developed in 2005 initially for Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox on PC. However, has its use has become widespread hand in hand with smartphones, and it has been then when it has become a fundamental element to do local SEO. So viewers, how Google Map works. Google Map is a digital street map that is nourished by information from street view cars adapted to capture images at street level and the GPS signal of users' mobile devices, as well as other methods such as snowmobiles, scooters, or adapted cars that allow you to reach the most remote places and inside the outstanding buildings. To be able to use it is not necessary to be registered. Simply enter a search in the corresponding box, which can be a full address, the name of business, a metro station, some coordinates, etc. The point is shown marked with an icon of a conventional map that can be zoomed out or zoomed in at convenience. Once the desired point has been obtained, the Google Street Map offers the possibility of selecting the route to arrive by car, on foot, by public transport. In the last point, it has some shortcoming since it does not include urban bus lines in many cities, although it does add VTC options such as Uber or Cabify. So viewers, here we discuss the advantages of Google Maps. Google Maps works for both computers and mobile devices, phone and tablets, but it but it is no on smartphone that is maximum performance is obtained by the ease of a finding point in a transfer and the possibility of observing the location of the user himself in real time. Another of its main advantages is that it can be seen in version of traditional street map in relief or with satellite view, which shows the layout of streets and paths at zenith angles, which facilitates the clear appreciation of the type of buildings or distribution of street, squares, parks, etc. It allows you to save location and download offline maps, a very useful advantage when traveling abroad or when you are going to have connection problem with the device used. So viewers, here we discuss services included in Google Maps. Google Map offers the possibility to share location and even make personalized map visible only by the chosen user. In this way, the exact point of the celebration of a private event or the address of a home can be sent. It is updated on a regular basis with photographs sent by users and partners, thus allowing to build a complete global image of a specific place. One of the lesser known option of Google Map is the one that allows you to save the exact point where a vehicle has been parked. Clicking on the location, it indicates and even lets you add notes such as the parking number of a parking lot or the plant. In the Google Street Map, you can see the traffic status with a simple click. Just display the menu at the top left and select traffic. The street will appear in the selected fragment turn green, orange or red depending on the congestion. When you are looking for a certain venue, such as a cinema, a theater, or a stadium, it allows you to visualize the next events that will be held there. Viewers, here we discuss customize Google Maps. Google acknowledges that some searches are personalized for the user based on their previous queries and information collected by other company products. The Mountain View Company stores a history of trips and most visited places if that option is kept active. You can consult these moments in the Your Chronology section of the menu on the left. If you don't want to Google Maps to store that information, you can turn off location history in Google Activities. Another option offered by Google related to privacy is the possibility of reporting the presence of a particular person in one of the images obtained with the Google Street View vehicle and requesting that it be blurred. It is also a common practice with unpleasant scenes, for example, an assault or an accident. So viewers, here we discuss our next topic is Google Maps for businesses. Google Map is a fundamental tool to boost the visibility of business in local SEO. The ideal if your physical headquarters is to build and keep updated in a file in Google My Business with basic contact information, schedule, etc. In this way, it will be mentioned in the list of map results when a query is made about a specific sector, for example, the nearest restaurant or an open pharmacy. Google Maps integrates seamlessly within a web page, even allowing navigation without having to leave the business site. Therefore, whether you are registered in my business or not in the case, you will have to develop a personalized map. It is very valuable to embed the map to help the client in the location.